Welcome back, peeps. Check it out. 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe LT Edition. Loaded up, factory third row, factory sunroof, leather, heated seats, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, privacy glass, super solid body, 2-owner unit, lots of dealer service records, trailer tow package. It says 8-passenger seating, rear climate, non-smoker unit, very well maintained inside and out. No accidents on the Carfax. By the way, that's free to view online. Just click on the Carfax link and you get the free one. Switch off 4x4. Third row seating. Sell a lot of these Tahoes, and their starting down payments through our guaranteed credit approval program is going to be $15.95. We do usually keep 5-6 of these in stock at all times, and they're getting harder to get when they're this nice and ready to go. Come on down, check it out at DasCleveland.com. We're going to throw in a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the complete driveline on this truck. No excuses not to stop in. Take it for a ride, see if it's right for you. Easy credit approval financing, and it's done on the spot. Only one spot, DasCleveland.com.